Connect to the controller's Wi-Fi. The password is SN2008 @ login. Open Nova LCT, click User, select Media Player Login, click Connect System, the username is admin. The password is SN2008 @ login. In the screen configuration interface, click Next, click Receiving Card, select Read from Receiving Card, click OK, read successfully. Confirm the size of the receiving card. Switch to screen connection, click Enable Mapping. Fill in the number of rows, columns, width and height of the receiving card according to the actual situation, click Reset All. Follow the screen to send the connection diagram. After the connection is completed, click Send to HV. Click Save. The screen adjustment is successful.